To transfer XRP from Uphold to Coinbase, begin by opening your Coinbase account and clicking on the search icon at the top of the screen. Type XRP in the search bar and select the XRP cryptocurrency from the results. This will open a new screen where you need to click on the Receive button to obtain your wallet address. Copy the wallet address by clicking the Copy button next to it. Next, open your Uphold account, either on the website or mobile app. The process is similar on both. Log into your account and focus on the right side window, where you need to click on the Select Source option and choose your XRP account. Then, click on Select Destination and scroll down to find the XRP option under the Crypto Network section. Select this option and enter the amount you want to transfer. Click on Preview Withdrawal and paste the wallet address you copied from Coinbase into the bar. Click the Confirm button and then review the details to ensure the wallet address and amount are correct. If everything is correct, click the Confirm Withdrawal button. You may be prompted to provide a reason for the transaction, so select a reason and click Next. Following these steps carefully will allow you to successfully transfer your XRP from Uphold to Coinbase.